A hearty good morning to all from a grammar book. I'll tell you something today. So turn page number 6. In our page number 6 we have countable and uncountable nouns. According to the aspect of noun, there are two nouns. First is countable noun, second is uncountable nouns. Let us pick up the first point and know about it. The things which can be counted are called countable nouns. In other words, countable nouns are things that we can count. Not only this, they can be singular or plural. For example, 2 bananas, 2 elephants, 1 child, mangoes, isn't it? For the singular it is given here, chair, and the plural word we got chairs. Singular word bottle, plural word bottles. Like that some example we got for our countable nouns. First point is over. So let us pick up the second point and know about it. The things which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. In other words, countable nouns are things that we cannot count. Not only this, they are always singular and do not have a plural form. For example, it is given here milk, furniture, money, and some more example like water, iron, silver, and smoke. So, we came to know something about countable nouns and our uncountable nouns. So, page number 6 is over. Now, look in your page number 7. In our page number 7, we'll get some words which are used with our countable nouns. Okay? Some words which could be used with countable nouns are such as a, an, and the. The example is given here, a bag. Okay? And are, the table. Beside those words, some more words are there which are used with our countable nouns such as some, many, any, few, a few, a lot of, lots of, how many, these, a large number of, no, enough, plenty of. These are all our words which are used with our countable nouns. Let us see the examples. Example is given some flowers, many friends, any container, few questions, a few problems, a lot of biscuits, lots of toffees, how many apples, these seeds, a large number of students, no babies, enough tables, plenty of pillows. So, the dark black words which we are seeing here as our examples, those are the words which can be used for our countable nouns. And the red printed words are those words which can be used with countable nouns. So, these much example we got from our page number 7. Turn your page, next page, page number 8. In page number 8, we are getting some uncountable nouns. So, some words which could be used with uncountable nouns are, the first word is given here, the. Alright, the word the is given and the example is given the milk. Beside that, some more words are there which can be used with our uncountable noun. Those are much, a little, any, how much, a lot of, lots of, this, a large amount of, no, enough, plenty of. These are all our words which can be used with our uncountable nouns. Let's look our examples. So, example is given here, much, time, a little patience, any time, how much sugar, a lot of courage, lots of space, this liquid, a large amount of oil, no peace, enough money, plenty of enthusiasm. Like that, all the dark black word which is printed in our example, those are the words and they belong to our uncountable noun. And the red printed words are those words which can be used with our uncountable nouns. Beside that, students, let us see that some words are also there which could be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Those words are such as the, some, any, no, a lot of, lots of, enough, and last is our plenty. Like that, many words are there which can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. So, these all were our learnings from countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, students? So, keep on learning. Take care. Thank you.